Okay, this is chapter 9, problem 17. And the problem goes, the mean length of the work week for the population of workers was reported to be 39.2 hours. Suppose that we would like to take a current sample of workers to see whether the mean length of the work has changed from the previous reported 39.2 hours. So A says, state the hypotheses that will help us determine whether a change has occurred in the mean length of a work week. So we're going to want to do the null, which is just equal to 39.2 hours. And then the other one will be not equal to 39.2 hours. So then B. Suppose a current sample of 112 workers provided a sample mean of 38.5 hours. Use a population standard deviation of 4.8 hours. What is the p-value? So we're going to use the equation first to find the z-score. So it's going to be z-score equals sample mean minus the null divided by the standard deviation divided by the square root of the sample size. So we're going to do x is equal to 38.5 minus the null divided by the standard deviation of 4.8 divided by square root of 112 workers. So we're going to plug that into our calculator, which I just did, which is going to get negative 1.54. So you only need to go 2 digits after the decimal to find the z-score. So then you're going to look in the beginning of your book, or wherever your z-chart is, for 1.54, and I kind of circled it. It's going to be 0.4382. So you're going to take that number, 0.4382, and then you're going to take 0.5, because that's the half, minus 0.4382. So then that's going to give you 0.0618. So that's going to be each tail, and since you want the tail on both sides, you're going to multiply that by 2 times 2. So it's going to be 0.1236. And then we're going to read C. So at 0.05, can the null be rejected? What is your conclusion? So in this case, the null is equal to 0.1236. So it is bigger than 0.05. So then it cannot be rejected.